My name is Devashish Ganguly. I am an engineer by profession and a freelancer journalist. Presently, I am reporting this for a paper. I would like to ask you with a question and answer session. My first question to you, are you proud of your country?
Normally, journalists ask one question, and after I give the reply, the second question is trapping. But.
Sir,
No, please
let me finish it.
Please let me answer. I know.
Let me finish to this allegation.
No.
Let us have this discussion in free sense of mind.
Sure, I'll allow you.
Thank you.
I'm not blaming you. I'm telling most of the journalists. I'm not saying you are the same category. You may not be.
Already you have said it.
See, most of the journalists. Normally, one thing is, brother, I'm in the field. If a person wants to ask only one question, he asks and he goes away. If he has two questions, this is logic. And he's waiting for the first answer. And after I give the first answer, the second question is trapping. If you put both the questions together, then the trap will not be there. But for me, no problem. Answer is the same. Whatever your second question is, I'm proud of my country, India.
That's great.
It is one of the few countries in the world which gives the right for the citizen of India to preach, propagate its religion and practice. I'm proud of my country.
You have answered my second question.
I'm proud in many ways.
You have answered my second question. Thanks.